check for advanced restart button. As you can see, it's not available here. I am directly booting into recovery using power button and volume up button. Even if you press restart and press the volume up button, it will work. Continuously press the volume up button. If the advanced restart button is available, you can directly boot here. And the latest TWRP recovery video is already in my channel. You can check out. This is the latest TWRP recovery used for flashing ROM, and you can see here, if you have not removed the passwords, you need to decrypt here. Sometimes it will get failed, hence remove the passwords before booting into recovery. Once it's booted into recovery, go to wipe section and select here advanced wipe and select Dalvik package cache metadata data, leaving internal and micro SD card and USB OTG. Anyhow, it's not connected. Leaving all these things, select it and swipe here to wipe it. Once that has been done, go to install section and select the micro SD card. I am using here micro SD. Wherever you download the ROM file, first you need to flash the firmware always. The 13.0.1 Surya Global, you can see on the screen. Flash the same firmware, don't flash in global. For both the devices I am speaking, X3 and X3 NFC. After flashing the firmware, go to ROM section and select the Evolution X Surya OTA. You can see here, this is a 7.2 version. If I get closure here, you guys can see here, this is the latest available build with October 5th build date. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. You can see here the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully here. Go to home section again and select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Now go to home section and select reboot and select the system. This is how simple the flashing method of Evolution X 7.2 on POCO X3/NFC. You will be seeing everything in regarding this particular ROM in detail. You will be going to see in my video. Stay tuned till the end of the video. And here we go, it's booted into Evolution X 7.2. Let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samphath's YouTube channel, and this is POCO X3 custom ROM reviews. Flashing method I already explained. Android version 13, Evolution X 7.2, latest version available for Surya and even Karna. October 5th, 2022. Kernel used here is 4.14.246, and the build date is October 5th. Latest build available for POCO X3/NFC. Linux status is enforcing, and I have been running the CPU throttling test for last 11 minutes and 12 seconds. You can see here on the screen, and the maximum is 193. I'll increase a little bit of brightness. I hope the visibility is fine. Yeah, the maximum is 193, average is 176, and minimum is 133 million GIPS, which is fine in my opinion. And it's throttled to 84% of its max performance. After a certain time it's getting throttled, and it is to up to 16% of throttling has been happened. It's not actual CPU throttling. It will give you just an idea regarding how it throttles. And you can see this is the user interface, and the quick settings panel is fine here. Now it's a little bit smoother compared to 7.1 version. And you can see these are the apps I have been installed. And quick settings panel, if you don't know Android 13 style, the power and settings button moved downside here, where it was on the upper side near this edit option. And in the edit option you get plenty of options. As you can see, if you want, you can drag from here. Those things are fine enough in my opinion. And the automatic brightness sensor toggle is also working fine. It is working fine also, no problem regarding that too. And moving some of the app settings, let me come fast here. And Android benchmark, you can judge the app opening time also. You can see here 3,59,277, and temperature raise was just 1 degree Celsius, which is fine here, as you can see. And 2% of battery drop has been noticed during this testing of Android benchmark result on this Evolution X 7.2 for POCO X based on Android 12. And one bug we had in 7.1 people complaining. I actually did not had that. When you go to video and start recording video, it is stopping, or even the audio is not getting recorded, but that is not the case here. If I can increase, you can see guys, the audio has been recorded here live. I have shown. If you have any problems and if you are using this camera application, just switch to advanced Gcam like Arno build Gcam. Many people already using this. I have shared plenty of times in Instagram, and I will be sharing in Telegram. So if you are not followed me in Instagram and Twitter and Telegram, you can have a look on that same ID, Sampath FX. Beware of for fake IDs. I have only one. I don't know if anyone created on me. That's how it is. And let's start with dialer also. You guys can see here. Let me increase a little bit of volume, and this is the volume panel you get in this particular ROM. If I dial here 198, as you can see, the direct video call feature is now available. Yes, few people complaining about this. It's working fine actually. And you get call recording option also, but it will announce the other person that you are recording the calls. And you need to install this Google Meets or Google Duo, then it will directly revert to that app in order to make the video call, direct video call options. Those things are working fine. I was actually checking for benchmark results. I suddenly moved because of the bug what we had in the previous version. You can see here the single score is 562 and multi score is 1652, and the kernel user is Linux 4.14.246 has been used, which is fine. 562 is very good score. Multi score could have been better in this particular ROM. DRM info, you get obviously a level 1 certification. As you can see, you can watch all the OTT application in high definition resolution. That's not the problem here. Safety net status, this is an unofficial build. Lot more unofficial builds are available for POCO X/NFC. I don't know why most of the ROMs are unofficial only, and even this Evolution X, you can see here it get past safety net status. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever you want to use. You can use all the apps which are working fine in this particular ROM. No problem regarding that too. And I want to show this, the settings panel. It's quite interesting and smooth enough. This is the only ROM I felt it has very good stability in the UI, but few of them noticed that camera bug, and some other people are also noticing the power button issue. I don't have that. If you have it, you can comment down in the comment section. I will be testing in each and every update of this particular ROM. And moving into widgets and settings, wallpaper styles, you can change from here. As you can see, you can change from here. And widgets, as usual, this is the Monet engine customization, and material U design has been implemented from Android 12, that is been carried out through Android 13. As you can see, clocks, what happened? Yeah, there are clocks. You can add those things, and even the battery style also. And moving into quick settings, and let me show you some of the options has been added. Refresh it from here, you can choose it out, and FPS information also I will show you once I will play the PUBG Mobile or BGMI, then it will be useful. How much accurate, it's I can't judge, it's up to you. You can watch it out. And before going into settings, let me show you the charging animation, whether it supports 33 watt charging or not. You guys can see currently it's showing charging slowly. Very soon it will show you charging rapidly. Now it's moved to charging. If I'm not wrong, it will show you very soon charging rapidly. This is how the ambient display also. As you can see, it should show charging rapidly. The previous version have it. As you can see, that is the bug, I can say. Charging slowly has been shown, or later it is showing charging. It should show charging rapidly. It is fast enough to charge your smartphone using this Evolution X 7.2. Now move into settings. You guys can see here in the evaluate section, you get plenty of customization based on themes. As you can see, dark theme, Here there is option of vivid colors. It's nothing but pitch black condition. As you can see, now it's in pitch black condition. This is what I required in any AOSP ROMs, because it will have some theme applied here based on wallpapers that I don't like it. I need a pitch black condition. Right now it's available, even it is available in 7.1, it's still available. And some of the customization you can do on the status bar icons like that, and you can see a status bar customization, clock and date and logo you can enable. Network traffic indicators are also working fine here, no problem regarding that. As you can see, you can get some of the options here. You can enable or disable from here. Battery percentage, those things are given. The customization things I have been explaining in each and every video. You can see notifications, again you get plenty of options here. Quick settings, again here also there are plenty of customization available in this Evolution X ROM, and 7.2 is nothing different here. And power button gesture settings, you get all the basic settings here. Lock screen customizations are also given. Media cover art, you can adjust them. Buttons customization, navigation bar, I will show you. Animations, you get screen off and power menu animation, USB style, and those are the things available. And miscellaneous settings, this is very important, people need to enable these two. If you want unlimited photo storage in Google Photos application, then you need to enable this. And if you want higher FPS count in BGMI or PUBG Mobile like games, then you need to enable that. And moving into actual settings, you can see apps and notifications, those are very similar to any other ROMs. And battery percentage you can see, and the battery usage you can see here. The battery life is not that great, but still it's a very good battery life you can expect from this particular ROM, Evolution X 7.3, based on Android 13 and with latest security patch available for POCO X3. The charging speeds also, it's very normal, using 33 watt charger. It's quite similar to any other ROMs. Display settings, here you get plenty of customization like low, maximum, minimum refresh rate, you can keep it out. And colors I kept to saturated to look a little bit pop in this video. I will keep it actually real, true to real colors. Night light feature is available, you can see. You can adjust the intensity, wallpaper, zoom effect, and display and size text. Just increase this one. Before default it will be a little bit tiny in my opinion. This is big device, POCO X3. Just increase display size to next level if you want. That is personal preference in my opinion. I just said because of my usage pattern. And ambient display, as I already shown you, if it is visible you will get a little bit better battery life. And display color calibration, I kept something here, I changed it here. You go into this settings and I kept to warm AMOLED. Warm colors will always make your display look better, and it's even healthier to your eyes. Wallpaper and style, again this is an Android 13 feature. You get all the basic colors here, plenty of options you can see here. The combination of colors also you can get, and wallpaper colors here also, the combination of colors you can choose from here. Themed icons is still in beta. App grid you get from up to 2 to 2 to 5 into 5, those are available. Dark theme, as I said, it's fine here. Wallpapers and style, accessibility menu, it's a very handy feature. I keep on telling this, most of them don't know still today. As you can see, volume you can use without using the physical buttons. You can actually use this virtual assistant like accessibility menu, which is a handy feature. Switch axis, vibration and effect, these are the accessibility and some of the customization available. And security feature, you get just fingerprint unlock, no face unlock and anything like that. The ROM is decrypted, that has been shown in Telegram channel. People still ask about these things, hence I am telling again. And system settings, you get gesture options, system navigation, gesture navigation. As you can see, there is an option to increase the pill length and even the pill radius, which is very good in my opinion. And that dark theme, pitch black condition, those are the things should maintain if you change any versions of Evolution. As of now, this is a very good ROM available for POCO X. I mean, based on Android 13, if you are looking for a good ROM, balanced ROM, then you can definitely try it out. I have said this in the 7.1 also, but there is little bit of bugs that has been fixed in this particular version. If you have still any problems, let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me show you the BGMI, the PUBG Mobile gameplay, how it handles and what all the graphic settings we get when we enable in miscellaneous settings. You guys can see here the graphics is set to smooth plus 90 fps. That you need to enable in the settings, as I always speak. And most of the people watch my video but not subscribing my channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. I'll be making similar kind of videos here in my channel, and tech related videos also. And this is new mode, guys, and I am in low level actually. And let me turn on this, the FPS information. You can see on the left side, as you can see, it was showing around 120 and now it's 80 and 67, 43 also. The gameplay is fine as of now, and device getting warm or not, that depends upon your high time usage of gameplay. It doesn't get warm for simple reasons. If you record a video in 4K for a long time, it might get warm, and if you play this kind of games in 90 fps, then it will get warm. I actually turned on parachute very early, and that's how, guys, this is the gameplay. I do understand people like the Apex Legends and some like Call of Duty also, and there is very few people like some other games also, but I need to make video. It shouldn't be a lengthy also, and also it should have the idea how it handle in the gameplay like this. Since I am choosing one game to showcase in this particular videos. If it is a gaming ROM, I will definitely include all the games, necessary games, what you guys require. I hope you guys understand that. And this is new mode and new type of setup available. I don't think so I can kill any enemies here. Yeah, there is a bot. And you can see here the FPS is not that stable according to that FPS meter, but for me it doesn't feel like it is 50 or anything like that. That's how it is. And I will come back here. And speakers are also loud enough, you can see, like up to 50% like that. This is how the gameplay in Evolution X 7.2 for POCO X3/NFC. This is the October 5th, the latest build available for POCO X3 device. Yes, if you want to use it as a daily driver, definitely. If you are looking for Android 13 based custom ROM for POCO X3, I think this is the only one have balanced custom ROM for POCO X3 device. I hope you guys like the video, and if you still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.